Ladies and gentlemen, I am in the English lab of the East West Public School, and here I have a bunch of very young children. They are in the second standard, and I had approached them with something in my mind, and I just asked them, I'll give you paper and I'll give you pencil. Why don't you write something? Whatever you write, I would love to read it. So they've started writing. I do not know what sort of spellings they have written or what are they writing, but they are writing something. They have written something. They are filling up their pages. So I'm very curious to know what all they have written. Is it about their fear, or is it about their joy, or is it about their anxiousness? I do not know. So children, can you tell me what you are writing about? What are you writing about? What's your name? Adrija, and which class are you in?
Second.
Second standard. What are you writing, darling?
I'm writing
You are scared? Scared of what, darling?
Scared means movie, hide and scared.
You're scared of movies, huh? Oh, ho. What sort of movies are you scared of?
I want to see movies and I'm scared.
Scared, no? So what kind of movies would you want to see?
I want to see
Tamil movies? What kind of? You want the Dishum movie, or you want fairy tale like that? Or you want to see children of other countries?
the children of other countries.
Children of other countries. That's nice. How about you? What do you want to read to me? Tell me, what do you want to read to me? Read, darling. A girl is scared, okay? Read loudly.
From movie and I will share for my friends.
You are, okay, you share with your friends? What do you share with your friends?
Sharpness.
Sharpener and scale you share with your friends. You will send notes with your to your friends. Okay. Yeah, you have written something about your father's office, isn't it? Tell me about your father's office.
I do not like my father's office. I go to my father's office. My head will pain.
Your head pains, right, darling?
There is a not fan.
There's no fan, okay?
And they are having so many gadgets.
Too many gadgets, okay, it's very stuffy.
And having small places.
Small places, okay. Okay.
And they in my father's office.
Okay. Now you tell me what you want to tell me. Speak loudly. Come close. Come near me, darling. Yeah, tell me. What are you afraid of? Or what makes you happy? What makes you happy? Loudly, come close.
Cartoons.
Cartoons make you happy. Why does cartoon make you happy? Because the characters look like your English lab teacher? Oh, okay. They are funny? Yeah, the cartoons are funny? They make you laugh? How do you laugh when you see them? Loudly, okay, that's nice. You tell me, you tell me. Give a place to come here. Come close, darling. Otherwise, I will not be. There's too much of noise. Come close, please. Give her some place. That's very nice. Yes, darling. What have you written about? You're scared of movies, then why do you watch those movies which make you feel so scared? Is it you choose the movies or your parents choose the movies? Parents choose the movies. So you have to sit with them to watch the movie? Okay. There's too much of violence, too much of hitting each other, too much of hitting, na? Too much of beating, too much of bloodshed, isn't it? Do you find anybody in the movie, those who are very loving and caring? Sometimes. Okay. That's very nice. So basically movies are something that you are very scared of, and your parents put on the movie and you have to sit there in the hall, isn't it, along with them to watch the movies. So you watch the movies in the morning, afternoon, or evening?
Night.
Night. Oh. Afternoon. So after watching the movie at night, when you go to bed, it is very scary, isn't it? Okay, so you have nightmares. In your sleep you feel scared, isn't it? So we must advise our parents not to watch those terrible movies, isn't it? Okay. Sorry, on behalf of your parents, I say sorry to you because you feel scared, okay? Okay, darling, thank you.